I don't even want to walk away from this problem yet. I like it so much. We've got a few other things I want to show you, just even in this portion alone, let alone E and F. So we found this the same long-handed way that I showed you guys for the last problem, but I wanted to mention a few other things. So first of all, notice I moved the mean out of here, and that's actually a good thing. We don't want the mean down here for what I'm about to do. So make sure that you've popped the mean somewhere else, excuse me. Like here it is. All right, so I'm going to highlight this column of data. So I'm going to click on the A, and I'm going to go to add-ins. This is one that DDXL will do for us. So if you go to DDXL, you go to confidence intervals. DDXL will only construct confidence intervals for when you have a big column of data like this, which I do. So let's see here. I want the one variable Z interval. That's my friend. So I'm going to click on that. And then there's the data, so I got to click it over there. That's why it's important that I don't have the average in there, because if the average was in there, it would muck this whole thing up. So yeah, there's my quantitative variable. Oops, I got to move my video capture thing down here. And then click OK. It'll take it a second. There it is. It's opening up. Now it's asking us what we want. What kind of interval do we want? We want a 90%. So you click on that, and then you click compute the interval. Oops, I forgot to tell the standard deviation. There it is. Type in the population. I missed that entirely. It was 19,000, right? Now let me click. There it is. So I can click on that, edit, copy window. I can go back. I'm just going to paste it right here so you can see. There it is. You can see. Oop, maybe you can't. Oh, I'm an idiot. I did the wrong percentage. That's okay. Delete that. Go back. DDXL is really easy to fix. Just click on 99%. I forgot what level I was doing. Hey, look, it automatically changed down here. Perfect. All right, edit, copy window. And then we go back here, right click, paste. There we go. Same numbers. If you choose the correct interval, you get the same numbers. It's amazing how that works. All right, so that's one way to do it. Another way to do it, let me go back into StatCrunch for a second. If I click on Chapter 9, this was 9-1 number 41, so I click on that, and we wait. And there's the data right there. So I go to Stat, go to Z Statistics, one sample with data this time, because I have a column of data. That was the column, miles on a Hummer. Standard deviation was 19,000. And the rest of it we don't need to worry about, I don't think. Yeah, no, we don't need to do that. Next, what do we want to do? We don't want the Chapter 10 stuff yet, so click on confidence interval. 99 this time, thank you. Not losing my brain. And click calculate, and there it is. Copy. Oh, I don't know, I'll put it over here. I'm running out of room. There's so many ways to do this. All right, let me move you over. Okay, so you can see, hey, there it is. Lower limit, upper limit. Okay, so it's got the same sample mean. Oh, it doesn't. Oops. Oh, that's a mistake. That's not really our fault, I don't think. I think that means something was typed wrong in here. So you'd have to go back in and look over all these data points and make sure they're all correct. But StatCrunch should be correct, but apparently not. Although it doesn't have the right number, so that's good. But anyway, that's how you would do it. So I think I've typed in everything correctly. So it's got the different sample means, so that must mean something's wrong in the data set. So we'd have to go back and check it out. But that's still how it would be done if you were going to do it with StatCrunch, and it should work correctly. All right, so that's all of that. Let me go back here real quick. All right, so we've got a few more questions left to answer, but we're going to have to wait on that to the next time because we're almost out of time for this one. So I'll see you for questions E, F, and G. Hopefully I'll be able to fit them all in the next portion.